All right. Oh, the audio. So you wanna just record it and we can just probably just leave it. All right. 16 Silverado, stock number 8458Z, 360 ride along. All right. 3, 2, 1. Hey everyone, Jeremy and Nick here.
Hey.
We got another edition of the 360 ride along. Today we are driving in a 16 Chevrolet Silverado. Nick is again going to be driving while I'll be the passenger. So let's go ahead and get this started.
There we go. Nice turnover. Feeling that nice AC right now on this hot day.
Sweating. So yeah, we're just going to take a quick ride along. So let's go head out on Hamilton.
Sounds good.
So this Silverado is again a 2016, is the LT model. It has the 5.3 liter V8 engine. So you're gonna get a lot of good power. Nick's gonna explain how that feels when he pulls out on here.
Gonna pull out right now. Unfortunately, with Columbus traffic, always kind of have to have that quick acceleration to get anywhere.
And always drive safe on the road, people.
Always. So that felt great, actually. You could really feel like the V8 kicking in there. Fortunately, on Hamilton, you kind of have to get up to speed pretty quickly, right by the airport. So it felt good. Steering is tight as well.
Another couple features. It does have the bench front seat. It's the extended cab. It has USB ports. It has the touchscreen radio up front here. Some features like Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, so you can play with your phone.
Hands-free calling.
Hands-free calling.
Gotta be safe.
Yeah. Keep your eyes on the road. Cruise control. You got the remote key fob, trailing controls. Z71 package. You got the chrome step assist, so you can fly on the outside. Braking feels great.
Actually does. Pretty smooth. Kind of had to come to a little bit of a stop there, but didn't feel like we were sliding forward in our seats or anything, which is impressive because this thing is pretty big. So that was a pleasant surprise, I would say.
You got also, I'm looking down, you have the all-weather floor mats.
Nice, especially in the winter when you get all that salt in your shoes. And if you're taking this off-road or anything, or if you're doing like some nice manual labor, you're going to get it all muddy, and you don't want that on the non-weather floor mats, obviously. So this is a nice option. Clean those off real nice.
And looking at the bed, you got the drop-in bed liner, so you don't even have to worry about that. It has all the features you need.
Gonna get it going again.
Yeah.
Now it's not quite rush hour, but we're still at that stop and start traffic right around now. We're gonna try to get it out on the open road here, getting off Hamilton. Actually, you can't really tell right now. Maybe you can, but a lot of potholes over here. They're also doing construction right over here in Hamilton, and quite honestly, I drive a Verano, and I drive by this every single day, and it's a little bumpy. Now, I will say, driving this, not that bumpy at all. Didn't feel like I threw my back out or anything going over those bumps.
It's smooth.
Yeah.
It's very smooth. Hey, there's some deer out there.
Yeah, nice view.
Yeah.
Don't get that a lot in Columbus. Some nice scenic wildlife. Man, that air conditioning is nice. It is pretty toasty out. It is 82 according to the car right now.
Temperature display.
There you go. Yeah. Toss that in there. Oh, gonna come to another kind of quick stop here, but nice once again. Braking is tight. Feeling pretty good.
Nick, what's the mileage looking like?
So mileage is at 15,441 right now.
Well, that's not bad for a 16.
No, not at all. Pretty low. Almost brand spanking new.
Sugar. Need another coffee for today.
It's kind of that time. Starting to crash. Go home. Relax. Just think of all the relaxing you could do. If you have this 1500, I should say, this Chevy Silverado 1500. Pull the trailer behind you, take the kids out for the weekend, go camping. Sounds like a nice weekend to me.
It does. Or maybe it's Mother's Day weekend and you're getting her a bunch of plants and trees. You can load that up in the bed.
That's true. Now, I actually go to Ohio State, and I was just there on campus today, and they're actually having a plant sale right off campus by the Schottenstein Center. So you can go down there, pick up some plants, give it to your wife or your mother, haul them back in this bad boy, and be good to go.
As we're saying this, I probably won't get this edited until after Mother's Day, so next year.
There you go.
You guys get the idea.
Yeah. Thought that counts.
This is the thought that counts.
Right there.
Yeah. Those are nice apartments.
Dark. Nice daycare center too. Never really come over here.
I don't come here much either, but I think I looked at places back here before. It's just pricey.
Well, actually, when I was looking, I looked back there by the subway. There's like a new apartment complex over there, and they were pretty pricey because they were just built, but would have been close to work. But actually, where you're at is like primo, honestly.
I love it, and the price. It's like I wish I had a little bit bigger place, but maybe next year I'll stay in the same place, just move up apartments.
Do they have 2 bedrooms?
Yeah, they do have 2 bedrooms, and they have bigger 1 bedrooms.
Okay.
I just got like the smallest 1 bedroom.
Yeah. Wow.
Now they actually have ones where the bathrooms are not attached.
Really?
And well, they also have a dining room.
It's kind of nice. But then you have to have dining room furniture and all that that comes along with it.
Yeah, but
No, it'd be nice though.
it'd be nice for me if I get like a small dining room table and like there'd be another place for us to be like play D&D in.
I heard about this fold down cup holder thing. You know what I'm saying?
We'll edit this out, but I had a guy who wanted the bench seat. That way his girlfriend could do extracurricular activities easily. Alright, edit back in. I'm going to flip the view to see if this works. If not, well, maybe we should do the closing statements.
Oh, yeah.
So now is our final impressions. Nick, what do you overall think of the Silverado?
So overall, I don't drive a lot of trucks, but I will say that the handling on this is spectacular, in all honesty. Really tight. We went around a couple corners, went over, like I said before, a decent amount of potholes. And I will say the suspension feels good, had a nice ride through and through. And I, once again, will mention that the acceleration was pretty good, getting up to speed over here on Hamilton.
It's a Mexican sweets truck. I've never seen one before.
Better than the Ice Cream Man.
Okay, my impressions as I stopped being sidetracked. Feature-wise, there's a lot of good features in here. I like the Android Auto. It's the next best thing to get in navigation imbued in your car. Seats are nice and comfy. The cloth is nice and soft and comfortable. I mean, all weather formats. The The drop-in bed liner, you just got everything you need for a truck. Chrome step assist and the nice burgundy color. You're going to stand out in this Silverado, and I really think you can't beat it for a pre-owned vehicle. I guess a big truck, yeah, for me.
Low mileage too.
Very low mileage. So yeah, if you're in the market for a pre-owned truck, especially a Silverado, give us a shout. Our number is 614-864-9200. You can always leave us an email or a lead through SandovalBuickGMC.com, where you can see more information on this Silverado, plus many more vehicles we have. We have other trucks on the lot, like Sierras. Or just stop by the dealership at 300 North Hamilton Road, Columbus. Start over. Visit us. Or visit us at the dealership, 300 North Hamilton Road, Columbus, Ohio, 43213. So I'm Jeremy.
Okay.
And you have any questions, leave in a comment below. Until next time, have a great weekend. Special upside.